I want to show you that the content of your YouTube video is more important than your YouTube channel name and its handle. Let me show you. For this channel, it's called PTT. The handle is PTT2323. For the past 28 days, there are 26 views for a duration of 1 minute and 3 seconds. For this channel, Poh-Tai. So as you can see over here, there's almost no views for the past 28 days because these views are from myself. This channel name is called Isbiatech. Handle is Isbiatech. For the past 28 days, there are almost no views for all these videos because these all are for my own views. So as you can see, actually the YouTube content is more important than your YouTube channel name or its handle. Thanks for watching. I'm Poh-Tai. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, write your comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.